Hey, welcome back to a new FaceTime. I hope you're doing fine. So good to see you again. So good. I'm so happy to. I love these. I love these series so much. I love talking to you. To be honest, it's a new week. We are Monday. I'm recovering from last week, from the past few weeks, to be honest. But I feel good today. Listen, the weather is not good today. The weather, I mean, it's okay. It was raining and then it was a bit gray. But this weekend, if you saw last FaceTime, sorry, you've seen that I was preparing a brunch for my family and it was amazing. Honestly, first of all, from the brunch perspective, it was so good. It was exactly how I imagined it, like a really Mediterranean brunch. So a lot of Turkish food, and I will show a picture and maybe a video. Food and Greek inspired, a bit of Algerian, a bit of Spanish. It was amazing. Oh, I love these type of brunches. It's so healthy and at the same time it's so good and tasty, and it's just made with whole food. Oh, I loved it. Everybody loved it. And then the second thing about the brunch is that the whole family was gathered, and I really, really liked that. And seeing my niece and nephew running, it really made me happy, honestly. And I think that's why also Maui. Hey boys, how are you? How are you, cute little pies?
Ah, tata, quand tu fais ça, ils font
Ah.
ça. Quand tu fais comme ça, ils
I was telling you how lately I've been really, really needing and feeling that I need my family, and I had exactly that. And also I felt good this week. I had a bit of a guilt to not work enough, but at the same time, this week I really wanted to take it slow and I really wanted to prioritize my family. I mean, last week. And I'm so happy I did that because I was so tired last week. Even until this week, even until yesterday, Sunday, this weekend, and even this morning, I had to cancel my reformer class because I was too tired. I was like, this week I'm listening to my body. Really, I felt even my body. I see it now. It's swollen. It's inflamed. I see my arms, my face. I even have like a lot of acne. You know, there's something going on. I can really see it. But you know, that's fine. It's yeah, I'm not supposed to be like that. I'm trying to not, really body shame myself and say that's okay. Like, we're going back into track. And also the stress, I've been stressing a lot. So that honestly is not helping. But that's okay. And right now, I am actually in my full underactive set. This is truly my favorite, you know, workout brand, because I mean the fitting, this is a skirt because actually I'm going to play paddle. Don't ask me why, but I registered into a tournament. I've done paddle once in my life, and it was not even a class. I did it with a friend, so we didn't even know the rules. So this time we have classes, and it's with a new friend of mine, and I really like because we see the thing the same way. We see like dreams the same way, we see health the same way, and it's really nice to, I don't know if I talked about it like recently, but your friend that you know for a long time, that obviously you love them because they've been there pretty much your whole life, but you don't see the things the same way. That's what I have with my friends currently, and I think we all feel the same way, so that's why I probably, because our life are busy, but also we tend to not see each other as much as we used to, and it's a bit sad, but also I think it's life. I think we will find each other again. It's just that right now I feel like I need to be surrounded with people that see this thing, life the same way that I do, to elevate myself, to elevate each other, to feel good. And this new friend, I really really have that with her, and she's also an entrepreneur, so I really I'm really looking forward to that. And so we registered to this tournament together, and now she's also really competitive person. I was about to just register and then go because it's also open for for beginners, but she was like, no, we need to take classes. I was like, okay. So I'm adding 2 times classes on top of my reformer and workout classes. Let's see how it's gonna go, because I think my body's inflamed from overworking out and all that. So I think I needed to give it some rest this week, but that's fine. But I'm really happy about that. And also this week, okay, don't pay attention to the mess, but I have been, this morning I have been. So you know how I'm always telling you about, journaling and doing, my to-do and all. Same thing. I still did it this morning. I did my journal. Every day when I don't journal, I swear to you that something's off. I'm not even joking you. And so I'm really happy that I journaled today and I did my gratitude. And I know what I've written. I think I've written, that I was really happy to see my family, and I'm grateful for myself to keep believing, because even when the struggle is there, it's nice to remind yourself of what are the things that you still achieved, even if it's small things. So it put everything into perspective, and I'm really happy about that. And I was also grateful for my mother for doing a special Algerian dish for the brunch, and I had it this morning for breakfast. So it was so good, and I called her afterwards, and I was like, it was so good. And she was like, I'm gonna make you another one. I was so happy about that. And I also thank God, I know I repeat myself, but I wanted to also remind, because, for example, yesterday I was so tired. When I say tired, I felt like my body and mind were exhausted. Not even tired, exhausted. So I didn't pray. And so, this morning I was like, thank God for, the plans He has for me, and for the lessons with the struggle. And, when I prayed earlier today, I was like, okay, I'm sorry I didn't pray. And even though I know God is not judging, but I was like, He's understanding. So I'm not feeling bad about it. And I think that's the one thing that people don't understand. And I don't like to hear about, oh, you need to fear God, or in all religions. I do believe that in all religions, to be honest. The people that say, oh, you should fear God, or this person doesn't fear this or that. No. Religion and God is not about fear. Religion is about, and God is about understanding and knowing that you're not perfect and you can make mistakes, and the goal is to be better every day 1%, and be there for the others. Because if you're not there for the others, why are you there in this world? And I think, again, I'm talking about God and all, but even if you don't believe in God, for me, it's normal things that everyone should apply. And God is a good reminder of that, but even if you don't believe in God, that's the normal things for me that you should, try to improve every day, and be there for yourself and for the others. So yeah, I did my gratitude journal. Then, because we are Monday morning, on Monday, I did my to-do. So on Monday, I do my to-do for the week and for the day. So I did my to-do for the week, and I felt good, because last week I haven't done that. And I think that I need that structure. If you have ADHD, or if you have trouble being organized, do that, I swear to you, so that throughout the week I check my weekly, and I see what are the things that I have not done. And you see, it's a long list, but still, it helps me to get organized, or have a certain organization, and be like, okay, I need to do this today, and then this tomorrow, so that at the end of the week I did most of it, or all of it ideally. But I try not to be hard with myself if I didn't do everything, because that's the way it is. It's a reality of things. It's just helping, but as long as you do it. And I feel good about this week. I don't feel good in my body. I felt good last week, and now I don't. just because I see that I'm inflamed. Like I see it, like right now I'm looking at myself, I see that my arms is like fat. That's the way it is. I'll try to ease this week. But yeah, I'm happy that I was productive today. I did most of my to-do of the day, which is great. I might do also things from the weekly. I'll see how I feel. But right now I need to finish, get ready, and I need to go to, well, paddle, my first paddle class. You know, it's like 1 hour and a half. So I feel a bit, you know, not anxious, but a little bit. And also because it's during my dinner time, because I eat 2 times a day, like 2 big meals and like 1 healthy snack. I already had my late breakfast and my healthy snack, and normally I eat during like around 5:36 p.m. and I need to leave at like 5. So I hope I will not get hungry, but that's fine. I'm not hungry now, but I also don't want to eat before like jumping around, so I'm gonna be healthy. So yeah, no, I'm looking forward to this week, and there are new projects starting, and you know, I'm really happy because right now I was late, so late with my project lately. One that is like a wedding venue in Belgium, and another one is starting soon, and another one that is Spain. But you know, so I felt really bad about that. It was stressing me out, but you know, it was also because I was traveling a lot, and that was stressing me a lot. So now I feel better. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. So right now I'm going to go, but I want to say thank you for being here and following me. I wish you a good day, and I see you tomorrow for another FaceTime. Bye.